Hi.
Hello. Is there a challenge?
Yes. Do not sneeze while watching this video.
That's easy. Sneezing isn't contagious like yawning.
Yes, but I will still try my best to make everyone sneeze. By the way, I was thinking, what happens if you sneeze while flying?
I don't know. It has never happened before. Let's start the challenge.
Okay, but there are some rules.
What rules?
Leaving the video, skipping the video, and speeding up the video equals automatic fail.
Okay, I won't do that. Can we start now?
Yes. The challenge starts in 3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
Like the video if you did not sneeze so I will know how many people won this challenge. Cheers. Yayayayawuwu. Hubba hubba. Woo.